excuse me, Jaden. I am in a 76 gas station, and we're gonna wait this guy in the car wash. I guess we're gonna wait this guy in front of us. So we're gonna wait this guy in front of us. We're gonna wait this guy in front of us, and we are gonna go to a car wash now. And now he's going. Okay, here we go. Let's see how he go. What the guy doing? Don't hold on. Habits. Okay, here we go. So and I guess that guy is gonna enter to the bay. Let me go. Good luck on the car wash instead. Yes. What the? What in the world? Okay, what is he doing in there? Stop. Oh God. What is he doing? I think he don't know what he's doing. What in? Oh, there he is. He's like so angry now. Like he said, oh my God. Like he said. Okay, I guess let's like wash. Let's see this guy what he do in the bay, I guess. And here his wash begin. And let's see, oh, the brushes move. Wow, I like this. Oh, Koya is so mad. He locked his door and now he going. Oh, he's just putting the Typhoon bucket. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Mr. Samby. Okay, I already go to this car wash before, but oh no, the bolts are not moving. Oh God, no. Oh, it is moving. 6-4. Look at the brushes. Oh no.
Thank you. When the wash is ready, please move forward into the wash.
Please move forward into the wash. Ooh, the brushes spins. Oh, I don't look at that. Oh my God, that is so loud. It's like crumbling brushes. Wow. Okay, here we go. It's gonna stop in a minute. Ooh, you hear that? That looked like it's saying ch. Maybe there's like a air buzzer, I think. Okay. And it's actually done. And look like his dryer will start. No. Oh, I hear the dryers. Okay. Okay, lock. Okay, I guess we're entering the bay. Okay. Really quiet and Ryko, stop. Oh my God, I already been here. I don't know why. Now here we go with our Typhoon here. Or this is like a pre-soak. Yeah, this is actually pre-soak. Oh God. Oh. And here the wash begin. Here we go, here the wash begin. The wash is starting now. Here we go, here the wash begin. Look at them, man. Here we go. Here we go with the brushes. I like the lights. It is so good. Oh, the guy's in the back of us. I still hear it. Why he's not leaving? Okay, here we go with his giant top brush. Oh God. Oh, he's still there. Oh my God, it's shaking. Oh God, stop. Oh my It's shaking. It's like, why is he dragging the car? And now here we go with the rinse. Yes. There's a lot of dryers here, man. Brush, another brush, and here we go. Here we go with our dryers. It is a great day. With waterfalls. Waterfalls. Make sure it doesn't turn off again. And then it turned off, it will not. Oh, there's another car wash there. I don't know what is it doing. I think this is just legit bay. Brushes are not spinning. Here we go. Then we're going to dryers. Going dryers here. Oh god, so scram. Wait, did he go over here again? A school bus. Now the dryers are starting. Let's see here again. There's the dryer time. Water. Now let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching this car wash video, and we already been here again. And thank you guys for watching the car wash. And bye.